This is my McDonald's and toy ping pong review, part 2. Sorry, I just had something terrible in my mouth. And I showed you okay, where's the checklist that I did for this? Okay. Like, I have the empty little stuff. I'm probably going to keep this so I can keep the... So, I have... Yes, it says 3 there because I have 3 of them. They gave me 3, which is okay. I told them I didn't really care what they gave me because I was just doing a toy review on McDonald's toys. McDonald's toy review. And I got 3 of these cuties, which I guess just makes them triplets. They're so cute and adorable. Look how cute you are. They're just little polar bears and just so cuddly. I don't think you should cuddle a real polar bear though, because I don't think they're very friendly. Not like stuffed animal versions. And then I showed you this guy. I love this. Like, this is one of my favorites. I think I showed you 2 of the other ones I had before. Like, they're unopened, had them for years. One of them's from Leo and Stitch. His name's like Bobo. And then the other one is a actual McDonald's Furby. The original Furbies, not the new creepy ones that make me feel like they're going to take over the world. And Seymour. Seymour is like one of my favorites. He gets a 10 on the super awesome, adorable, lovable meter. And the little Mario guy gets a 10. This guy gets a 4 on the squish meter. And a 6 on adorable. So together I'd say about a 9.5, because if you add it up, it would probably make more than that. But on the scale of 1 to 10, it gets a 9.5, because it's not as squishy as Seymour, but it's still adorable, and it's still a little bit soft, and still a little bit squishy. But Seymour, if I could give you more than a 10, I totally would. He is just adorable. And now I'm going to do this. And the lady who works at the McDonald's, who always helps me, is amazing. I think she's like the manager. She's really good at her. She's so good. I never remember her name though. But she is amazing. She's like right next to Wilmington University, that McDonald's. Black hair. I think she has like dark brown eyes. Super friendly, super nice. I love her. She's like one of the best McDonald's employees I've probably seen in a long time. They're usually friendly there though. So far, I got purple. And like I said, this thing has been in my house. I was going to use it for Halloween, then it disappeared, then I found it, then it disappeared, and then Jade had it, and I don't know. Like, this thing has been everywhere with me. Like, I don't know. It's just been, like, all over the house, I'm pretty sure. Jade had it at one point, then I had it again, and then I found it, then I lost it again, and then Jade had it, like, just a mess. The coloring, it is fun. I don't know if it will play well. Little friendly ghost. Should make him green. Ooh, yeah, make him green with orange eyes. Yeah, that's kind of nice. This is what I have so far on this guy. Okay, now, can you see it? I'm asking my grandma to get me a real camera, so maybe, if I'm lucky, she'll let me do chores around the house so I can afford a real camera, and so when we go on vacation I can vlog, and also, like, show you the park in different places, and instead of being on my computer, because my computer is just basically I have to be in my room or in the house or carry the huge thing with me, and I'm not dropping it. And I mean like a video camera, not like a camera for photography, because I have one of those already. I'm making the ghost a green color. I was gonna make him orange, but then I was like, no, because then the moon is orange, and it kind of just takes away from the sky, because the sky's gonna be like, where's the lid? The lid was here, the lid. The only thing I dislike about these lids is you can, like, they don't really go on. I've tried to put it on here before, but it just never wants to stay. And it's not one of my favorite type of markers, but it comes with it. Like, would I say do projects with these markers? It depends. I mean, if that's the only thing you have and can afford, go for it. If not, get real ones. Like, I give these markers maybe a 5.5 on they're decent, they come with it, they're free, but they work okay, but they're not like the best, and they have the weirdest scent. So I give the coloring of this, I like to color, and I like the designs, I give it about a 9.5. Now, in a little bit, we'll see if we can play, but first I want to finish coloring it in. I gotta finish the moon. I just released this part of the moon I missed. I'm using green to color some of the the castle. And it only comes with 3 colors, which is also the downside. Like, it's not a lot of options, but since it comes with it, that's like the best part about it. So the markers are included. Like, I would say if you want more colors, then you need to get more markers or use the ones you have. Oh, I hate that sound. Like, that sound bothers my ears. I unfortunately have sensitive ears. I still get ear infections and swimmer ears, and my ear, like, the piercings I've had have not worked out as well as I was hoping. Kind of forgot how sensitive my ears were till I did that. I have sensitive skin. I think that's like one of the things that I think they say about redheads is we have sensitive skin, and a lot of us do. Not all of us, but a lot of us. So the markers get a 5.5, the coloring and design gets a 9.5. The trees kind of hard to color in because, like, it's not that easy. But I also had OT for, like, years to try to even get my hands to work normal, so it could just be me. Could just be a fact that because of my OT, like, it just could be me. Okay. I'm gonna color this card. And then we're gonna try to play it. So, these got a 5.5. This got a 9.5 because I like coloring it and the decorations. This so far gets probably not a 10 because if you put it in there and you're not careful, it could just break. Also, the one thing I'm gonna say is I'm gonna factor in the fact that this is me doing it. Oh gosh. Oh. Don't do that. Yeah. So since I know like half of this is me and the other half is this thing isn't really meant to be played with, like how do you even... Yeah, it gets a 7.5 on my book. Like, I can't even... And before I go, that might be a little bit high. It could just be the fact that I'm not really good at this and not the best at sports. I've tried a lot of sports in my time. The one that's the best I was at was gymnastics and climbing the rope. I was actually good at the rope. So the decoration and the drawing on it is fun. The playing with it, don't expect to be very good. Or it could just be me. Like, if anyone knows me, and I don't know why I feel like these aren't even. It's like 2 buns. 1, 2. Or if one's just showing more. It could just be me. If you know me, you know I'm not good at this stuff. Well, that's it for my McDonald's and McDonald's toys review and other things. Hope you enjoyed it.